to my room. My room for the next 4 days. Get the light on. Key card also runs that. So ink, this building used to be a newspaper. So then, so that's why all the write-ins on the wall, they went with that theme. Let's see what we have here. Let me span out. So just entered. Got our first door here. Oh, it's a little closet. Cute. You get some robes and slippers. Nice. Let's go and see. This is a see-through glass. That's the bathroom. Put my suitcase over here. Nice. Got me the double beds and a gift. How nice. Very nice. Full length mirror. Very nice. See? About to transition from Iceland to some spring attire, because it is nice. It's like mid-50s here in Amsterdam. So I'm about to take a nice shower and nap. How cute. Love it. Love it. So let's see what's in this one first. Oh, it opens both ways. Aha. So the other side, so I can push you out. Ha ha ha. And there you go, that's a closet with the robe. Get that on later. Okay. Yes! You see the put bag? Yes. Oh, wow, by the way, I was able to carry both my luggage as carry-on. Not good because it didn't fit under. Actually, had to fit in the overhead. But yes, it's a separate stove. This is the toilet. Nice, simple toilet. Pull out. So you can see that. It opens from it's a stand. Your shower, so similar to Iceland, with the shower set up. But this is cute. I'm loving the modern nature of this. Let's see what my view is. TV, so quite similar linear setup as Amsterdam. My view outside, there was a courtyard. Here. See some more greenery. Yeah. Okay. Very cute. So I'm right by Dam Square. All the canals. So I'm looking forward. But here is a full aerial 360 of the room. Hope you've enjoyed watching this review/room tour of the Ink Hotel Amsterdam. I thoroughly enjoyed my 4 days here and look forward to visiting Amsterdam again once there's a handle on the global pandemic, that is the coronavirus, and enjoying the wonderful amenities of the Ink Hotel. Till next time, y'all stay safe, healthy, and blessed.